Welcome to Brainy Hacks, your go-to place for turning math into a magical adventure. If you're a teacher looking for fun, engaging, and effective strategies to teach math, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your fellow educators. Hey, teachers! Math can be one of the most exciting subjects to teach if you have the right strategies. Today, we're diving into some brainy hacks to make your math lessons engaging and memorable. Ready? Let's get started. Our first strategy is storytelling. Yes, you heard that right. Who said stories are just for language arts? You can use storytelling to explain math concepts. Imagine you're at a pizza party with 3 friends. You have 1 pizza, and you need to divide it equally among the 4 of you. How much does each person get? That's a fraction, 1/4 of the pizza. See how easy that was? When students relate math to real-life situations, they grasp concepts faster and better. Now, let's talk about hands-on learning. Math isn't just something we do in our heads, it's something we can touch, feel, and even play with. When students manipulate objects, they can better understand abstract concepts. Like building a house with these blocks. Each block represents a different place value. See the engagement? Hands-on learning helps students of all levels, especially those who struggle with traditional methods. Plus, it's just plain fun. Who doesn't love a good game? Gamification is a powerful tool to motivate students and make math learning competitive, in a friendly way, of course. Whether it's a digital game, a classroom challenge, or even a math scavenger hunt, adding an element of competition gets students excited and eager to participate. And the best part? Everyone wins in the learning department. Let's get moving. Incorporating movement and music into math lessons is a fantastic way to keep energy levels up and minds sharp. Movement and music make math concepts stick in students' minds, and it's especially helpful for kinesthetic learners. Teamwork makes the dream work. Collaborative learning is our next strategy. When students work together, they not only learn from you, but from each other as well. This kind of interaction promotes critical thinking, communication skills, and deep understanding of math concepts. Plus, it builds a strong classroom community. Our final strategy is about mindset. Teaching students to embrace a growth mindset can be a game changer in math education. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," encourage your students to say, "I can't do this yet." Celebrate mistakes as learning opportunities. Remind your students that effort and persistence are the keys to success in math and in life. So there you have it, 6 powerful strategies to transform your math lessons into something extraordinary. Remember, teaching math isn't just about numbers. It's about inspiring a love for learning. Thank you for joining us on Brainy Hacks. Let's make math fun and engaging for every student out there. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with your fellow teachers.